Best guide to get Ryan Reynolds beard style at home. Ryan Reynolds is the most favored person in the film industry. After his excellent performance in Pikachu and Deadpool, he becomes more popular. Admit it, after watching Deadpool, or at least Wolverine, you become more addicted to his films. What are the specialities of Ryan Reynolds beard style? 1. Refined look. If you are a businessman or having connections with office works, presentations, try this beard look. You surely know how much looks matter when it comes to business. Your confidence level, your smartness, and your personality will represent your company. Here the refined word is used to represent the softness and purity of the style. The overall concept is the same, just a little cleaning down the neck will do the job. This style suits any face shape. Hipster style. This is the style for those who don't have enough time to groom themselves. It suits everyday fashion. No matter what the place, no matter what the dress it is. You can have a classic look with this style. Daily, only 2 minutes of care can grow this beard more glossy. Just add few drops of beard oil to provide nutrition. The specialties of the hipster beard are, the lower portion of the beard won't touch the neck. And the beard must be cut shortly near the cheeks. 4. Fresh look. Shave the portion near the lower lips. There is no need to give a perfect finishing below Adam's apple where the beard line is meeting with the mustache. Secondly, just allow a razor or trimmer below the neck. Lower cartilage to the end of the ear, it needs a perfect finishing with a trimmer. Not too deep, not too much light, medium cut, and blended facial hair are enough to complete your style.